rest of the pile, I've already processed up a bunch this morning. These long ones are about 19 foot, so they fit in a 20-foot dump trailer. And then we're cutting halves, so we're cutting like 9.5 inch or 9.5 foot pieces to double stack in a 20-foot trailer. Cut matching lengths. Seems to work pretty good for what we do. Usually you can get a 19 and then get a 10. Sometimes we can get two 19s. That might be a little long, but that's fine. This is just for firewood, so it's nothing particular. And all of our scraps go in another pile and they'll get thrown into a chipper, and all the wood chips will get sold. All these little pieces and anything with knots in it that won't make good firewood goes in our chip pile, and then our chips will get used. Actually had to stop selling wood chips this spring because we ran out. So we're gonna chip up a bunch more. Processed pile for the most part. Still a handful of trees to take down, just processing them, and then I'll move all these logs around, get them out of the way to drop some bigger trees.